The Power of Broke by Damon John. Let's be motivated here because being broke has never been a problem towards succeeding, and it's actually the best reason why people were able to taste that once unknown from their lives. Following the story of a man who grew up in a housing complex for the poor, but little did we know he was able to take over a coffee shop called Starbucks, which at that time only had 60 shops, and he grew the coffee chain to more than 16,000 outlets worldwide. A guy who was born to a poor woman who was raped by his father and was banned from school by his grandmother survived with one-time meal a day, but still was able to buy a failing scaffolding company when he moved to France and made it as one of the world's leading manufacturers of scaffolding and cement mixers. He was even named French Entrepreneur of the Year. His name is Mohamed Altrad. If you wish to be like them, the only thing you must have is mindset. Do note that it already exists inside of you. It touches on your assets and skills that you already have, but you take them for granted because you think having a capital to start something is the only way to succeed. Little did you know that this is not true at all. Most successful entrepreneurs out there came from literally nothing. They just have the power of being broke, that they think they don't have anything to lose, so when they have the thoughts about quitting, they're not giving in. Because when you're at the bottom, the only option you have is going up. It's kind of like having a shark mindset, eating anything that's in front of you. The book is really filled with such inspiring stories from entrepreneurs who were broke at first. All people who've had the successes practice the key points we're gonna tackle in shortly. So, first, we should have a goal. You will never be able to hit a target if you cannot see it. So first, you must have a clear vision of your direction. Find a niche that you can still work on for a long term, always seeing the possibility of it lasting long. So never try reaching on something that is out of your bounds, because this will bring you to give up, and we don't want that. So try to reach what's near you. That way opportunities will come crawling in and the motivation sits within reach. Also think about what might happen in the best situations. Think about what might also happen in the worst situations. Try to get all the ideas on paper and make sure you commit to it. Start small, learn from mistakes, and grow from there. Try mirroring Mark Zuckerberg's success on Facebook. Grew his business positively. He knew what's gonna work, what's not gonna, and what can improve his services. Second lesson, do your own assignment. Have enough knowledge on your own analytics and your competitors. Knowing your niche and the community behind is really a must, because when you don't know your thing, how will you know about the possible thing that can happen? Take note that a predator never attacks unless he has enough knowledge on its prey. Know the key elements of business and sales, because this will never change, and be willing on trying new projects. Check on the businesses that failed and see how you can improve yourself from their mistakes. Take anything that you can get, like other people's ideas, and take advantage of things like OPM, other people's money, or other people's mindset, or other people's magic. You must learn how to notice trends and where the market is heading towards. Therefore, think of ways to bring your product or business closer to your target market. Third, be passionate on what you're doing. As most entrepreneurs would say, there's no fruit in something you do not love. So the only way for you to see great results is when you're giving it your passion. Because when you do not believe in yourself, your product, service, business, don't bother thinking that other people will too. Know that people only invest onto someone they can trust, not just with a product or service. Fourth, you are your brand. You are the face of your brand, so learn to understand and appreciate everyone you meet on your journey to success. Be it your investor, distributor, vendor, prospective buyer, or customer. Whoever they are, try to get your feet into their shoes. Have empathy, be their biggest fan and their listener to show that you sincerely care for them. With this, without a doubt, will earn you their respect, and you'll never know they're the ones who'll help you climb higher. Make sure to define yourself. Let people know who you are in 2 to 5 words. For instance, Nike is just do it. Video is we find ways. Apple is think different. Have an answer when people ask you what you are about. What are you about? 5th, swim endlessly. Quitting is non-existent. If you are broke, you feel hungry, you always have the urge of eating anything that is given to you. So in terms of succeeding, it's also like that. Your needing of something is endless. Don't be like among others. Opportunity was given, but still they don't have that burning fire inside of them. They don't have the hunger that was expected of them as a person who's broke. So have the willingness to accept anything in front of you. Because if you stop, what if you're just one step closer to that success you've always yearned for? Get real, because like what Damon said, if you're broke, you've got nothing to lose, but everything to gain. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.